The poem Fire and Ice, written by Robert Frost, composed by the students of Government Adarsh Vidyalaya Itigi, Taluk Gajendragarh, District Gadag.
1, 2, 3, start. Some say the world will end in a fire. Some say nights from what I have tasted of desire. I hold with those who favor fire. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough ahead to say that for destruction ice is also and would suffice the conclusion is the world will end definitely. Hey, some say the world will end in fire, some say nice. Hey, some say the world will end in fire, some say nice. Thank you.